So students, in our previous class we have stopped at the page number 72. In page number 72 we are going through this expanded form. Okay, so in that 2 we have completed. Okay, so next 3 are there in this bit, so let us see them. Okay, so what is that number and expanded form? Let us see. Expanded form, clear? Number 4426798. 4426798. Okay, so what is the expanded form? This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, so what is the expanded form? 4 10 lakhs, 4 10 lakhs plus 4 lakhs. Okay, is it clear? Yes, 4 10 lakhs plus 4 lakhs plus 2 is in which place? 4 10 lakhs, 4 lakhs. 2 is in which place? 10,000s. No, 2 10,000s plus 6,000s plus 7 in hundreds place. No, 700s. So you have to see each time it is not possible for me to say which digit is in which number, which place. Okay, so 9 tens, you have to see that carefully. So 8 is in ones place. No, 8 ones. Okay, so what is the expanded form? I have divided each digit into its respective places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 4 is in which place? 10 lakhs, 4 10 lakhs. 4 is in which place? Lakhs, 4 lakhs. 2 is in which place? 10,000, 2 10,000s. 6 is in which place? 6,000s. 7 is in which place? 700s. 9 is in which place? 9 tens. And 8 is in which place? Ones place, 8 ones. Okay, that one is completed. Next number 20664. Sorry, 2066004. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This is 10,000s, this is lakhs, this is 10 lakhs. Okay, this is a 7-digit number. Clear? So what is the expanded form? 2 10 lakhs, 2 10 lakhs plus 0 lakhs. If you write 0 lakhs or 0 tens, or if you don't write also, it's not a problem. Next 6 10,000s, next 6,000s. Clear? Next 0 hundreds. Okay, 0 tens and 4 ones. This is your expanded form for these two numbers. Okay, next, what is the next number? So like that you have to understand, you have to divide them according to their respective places, then it will be very easy for you. So 632712, 632712. Clear? So how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. So if you do the expanded form, 6 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. No, 6 10 lakhs plus 3 is in which place? Lakhs, 3 lakhs plus 2 is in which place? 2 10,000s. Okay, next 7 is in which place? 7,000s plus 7 is in which place? 7 hundreds. Okay, plus 1 is in which place? 1 tens, and 2 is in which place? 2 ones. Okay, so this is the number and that is the expanded form. Okay, like that you have to understand and write them carefully. You should not do any mistake, because you know after which place you will get which place. Okay, so let us summarize. It is there, let us summarize. Below one box is there, no? Let us summarize. Clear? Let us summarize. Okay, so look at that box. What you will understand by that? So that box, in that box what it is given? 10 ones equal to 110. Okay, 10 ones equal to 110. 1000 ones equal to 1000. Okay, 1000 tens, 1000 tens equal to 10,000s. How you are getting this? I will explain very clearly. So let us see this first. Okay, 10 ones means 10 into 1 equal to 10. How many 10 you got? Only one, no? So you got 110. This is completed, no? 10 number of ones, 10 into 1. Okay, value of 1 is 1 only, no? 10 into 1, you will get how many tens? 1, 10 you will get. Okay, completed, no? Next one, this one, 1000 ones. 1000 ones means into 1, no? 1000 ones means 1000 into 1. How much? 1000 ones are 1000. How many thousands you got? Only one, no? So this is 1000. Next one, 1000 tens. 1000 into 10. 1000 tens means 1000 number of tens is equal to how much? So 1000 into 10 you will get 10,000. How many 10,000s you got? After multiplication you got only 10,000s. 10,000s. Okay, 1000 tens equal to 10,000s. So this I can write, this is 10,000. You can also write this as 1000 tens equal to 1 10,000. Okay, so 1000 tens equal to 10,000. 10,000 I can write it as how much? 10 into 1000 also, no? So I am writing it reverse. 1000 into 10 equal to 10 into 1000. Can I write like that? If 1 into 2 equal to 2 into 1 is also correct, no? 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2. These both 2 are equal, no? So this one also 1000 into 10 equal to 10,000, and 10 into 1000 is also 10,000. So both these are equal. Okay, so like that you have to understand. First three I have explained, no? Okay, so next one, what is the next one? 1000 tens, 10,000 tens is telling. 10,000 tens equal to 1 lakh. How? Let us see. How? 10,000 tens means 10,000 into 10. Okay, 1 lakh is having how many zeros? 5 zeros you are having in 1 lakh. So 10,000 into 10, how much you will get? You will get 1 lakh. Okay, 10,000 tens into 10, you will get 1 lakh. 1 lakh means this number is 1 lakh. Okay, this one is completed. Next one, 1,000 hundreds. 1,000 hundreds equal to how much? 1,000 hundreds is also what? 1 lakh only. How? 1,000 hundreds means 1,000 into 100. 1 2 3 4 5. If you are multiplying like this, so you will get 1 lakh only. This is also 1 lakh. Okay, so 10,000 10 is 1 lakh only. 1,000 hundreds is also 1 lakh. Next one, 100 thousands. 100 thousands is also 1 lakh. just he is rearranging the zeros. So 100 thousands and 1000 hundreds is also same, no? 1 into 2 is equal to 2 into 1, no? So 100 into 1000 is how much? Here 1000 into 100 and 100 into 1000, both you will get 1 lakh only. 100 into 1000 you will get same 1 lakh. Okay, so all these multiplications you will give 1 lakh only. Okay, so this is the summarization he has given in the table, and how we got that we have just looked at now. Okay, so let us move to the next one. What is that next one? Indian and international place value systems. Indian and international place value systems. Okay, Indian and international place value systems. Clear? So for small digit numbers you can write the number name, and you can what you can do, you can write the number name and you can separate the commas easily, no? For 4 digit number, 3 digit number, you can do it very easily. But for larger digit numbers, so suppose there is a big digit number, 10 digit number, okay, 15 digit number, how can you separate it? How can you write the number? If you separate it by commas only, you can write the number name, no? So how to do that one? So for that there are two type of systems, Indian and international place value systems. Okay, so when there is a big number, many digit number, it will be very confusing for you to understand what is that number, what is it called. Okay, to avoid such type of confusing, what they have introduced two type of systems, Indian and international systems. So by these two systems we can separate the periods, different periods, because previously we have learned once period will have 100, 10, 1, these three places. In 1000 period will have 10,000 and 1000. Okay, in lakhs we will have two places. In Indian system I am saying 10 lakhs. Okay, so in ones period we are having 3 digits, in thousands period we are having 2 digits, lakhs period we are having 2 digits, like that. So this is in Indian system. Okay, so in international let us learn them clearly. Once again I will tell you when we are going into the topic. So we have to separate each period by commas, so then it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, so let us discuss about Indian place value system in this class. In today's class we will discuss about Indian place value system. Okay, in next class we will discuss about international place value system. Indian place value system. Clear? So in your page number 73 there is a big box showing the heading Indian place value system. So here this is lakhs, okay, thousands, and next one ones. Okay, so this is about Indian place value system. So this is periods. What are periods? Let's see. Okay, so this is ones period. So periods means this total heading is this is periods. So this is ones period. This heading is showing you. So this heading is telling that these are periods. Ones, this is thousands, this is lakhs, and next you are having what? Crores. So In ones period, how many are there? There are 3 digits, no, 3 places. What are they? Let us see. So this is, he has given here, he has given place value, okay, place value. So in ones period we are having 3 places. What is that? Ones, tens, and what? Next one, just a minute. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. In ones place we are having place values, 3 place values, ones, tens and hundreds. Okay. So this heading is showing that, telling that these are periods. What are the periods? Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. What are the place values? It is showing here. Okay. What are the place values? In thousands you are having 2 place values. What are they? They are thousands, 10,000s. Okay. Next, lakhs. We are having what? Lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. Next you are getting, so sorry, I should not write this here. This is 10 lakhs. Okay. Next you are getting crores. So let us see. In ones period we are having 3 place values, ones, tens, hundreds. In Indian place value system. In thousands period you are having only 2, thousands, 10,000s. In lakhs you are having only 2 place values, lakhs, 10 lakhs. In crores you are having crores. Okay. So let us see. So you will represent crores with C, 10 lakhs with TL, lakhs with L, 10,000s with TTH, thousands with TH, hundreds with H, tens with T, and ones with 1, 0. Okay. O, sorry. Okay. So he has given one more here, number he is given. So first row is completed. This is showing the number. Okay. So let us see. 1, next one is 1, 10,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1, 10,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, like this you have to okay. So this is the division. Okay, dividing into the boxes. I have divided them into boxes so that you can understand it very clearly. So today's class we will discuss up to this Indian place value system only. In the next class we will discuss about international place value system. So he has given numbers. Okay. So 1 will have only ones place, no? So this is 1. So it will not contain all these tens, hundreds, thousands. This all will not be contained. Only 1 is a single digit number. So I am writing here in ones place. 10 is a double digit number, no? We will write 10 like this, no? So this is a double digit. So 1 is in tens place, 0 is in ones place. Clear? Next, 1000. 1000 is a 3 digit number, no? So where is 100? 100 is missing, no? Sorry. This is 10. Sorry, I have to rub this all again. One, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. Okay, so 1 is having only one digit, so in ones place only I have written. You have to start filling from right to left here. Okay, so 10, right to left means smaller digit. So while pronouncing we will start from the highest period to lowest period, no? While writing also you will write like that only, but don't keep it in your mind from right to left. Okay, so you have to write how many digits are there. So from ones period you have to start filling. Okay, like that. Okay, 1 I have completed. 10, 2 digit number, 1 0. 100, 1 in hundreds place you will write 1, in tens place 0, in ones place 0. Okay, next in thousands place means one more digit will be added. So one digit is getting added. See, here it is, you are having one digit only. Here you got 2 digits, here you got 3 digits. Okay, next 1000, 1 0 0 0. Okay, 1000. Next 10,000, 1 0 0 0 0. Okay, next lakhs. From lakhs you have to start 1 0 0 0 0 0. 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs is here, no? 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so I will explain you clearly. 1 is a one digit number, so I have written in ones place. 10 is a which number? 2 digit number, no? So you have to start from tens place and you have to again fill with ones place. Next 100 is here, where? Here 100, 1 0 0. Next 1000 is here, no? This is a row, this is a column, you have to match like that. So 1000 is here and in a row it is here, in column it is here. So you have to start from there. 1000, this row, this column, it is matching here, no? So 1 0 0 0. Next 10,000, in row it is here, in row it is here, and in column it is here. These two are matching here, no? So you have to keep 1 0 0 0 0, 5 digit number. Next lakhs. Lakhs, in a row it is here, in column it is here. So you have to match this. You have to keep 1 0 0 0 0 0. This is a 6 digit number. 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs is here and here it is here. So you have to, where it is getting intersected, you have to keep 1 and you have to fill all the zeros. Once again I am saying, so ones place, here I am getting 1 because here you are intersecting here, no? Like this, like this. So both the boxes, rows and column will intersect at this place only. So I am writing 1 here. Okay, so 10, where is the tens box? Here, no? So in this row you have to start from this column, tens and ones. 100, in hundreds row you have to start from hundreds column, hundreds row and hundreds column. 100 0 1 0 0. Thousands row and thousand column, from here you have to start 1 0 0 0. 10,000 row is here, column is here, 1 0 0 0 0. Where it is intersecting, from there you have to start. Lakhs, this row is here. Okay, this is the row and this is the column, both are intersecting here, no? So 1 0 0 0 0 0. Lakhs, both are intersecting here only, no? This one, this one. So at this box only they are intersecting, they are getting combined. So 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. For crores, what you will get? Here you will get 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this is the crores. Okay, so if you don't want to remember like this, just see how many digits are there in a number. So 10 will have 2 digits, 100 will have 3 digits. So from 3 digits you have to fill 1 0 0, 3 digits completed. 1000 will have how many digits? 4 digits. So you have to start from 1000, 100, tens, ones, 4 digits completed. So 10,000 will have 5 digits, no? So 1 2 3 4 5. So you have to start from here 1 0 0 0 0. That's what we got now, 1 0 0 0 0. Next, lakhs will have 6 digits. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. From here you have to start lakhs. So here you have to put 1. We put 1 0 0 0 0 0. Okay. Next, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs will have 7 digits now. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 digits you are getting now. If you start from 10 lakhs only, you are getting 7 digits. 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. So crore, how many digits you will have? 8 digits. So you have to put 1 in crores period. Lakhs 0, thousands 0, ones you are having 3 zeros. Like that, this is the Indian place value system. So we have completed discussing Indian place value system in this class. In next class we will continue with international place value system. Okay, right.